Here's a bunt up to third baseline. Osuna charges, bare hands, and no play. Here's the 0-1 pitch. Swing and a ball hit high and deep to right. Back on it is Castillo to the wall. He's looking up, and he made the catch. Robbed the home run. 7 1/3 innings pitch. Pitch swing and a liner towards left center field. That is slicing away. It's going to fall in there for a base hit. Around second on his way to third is Arenado. Field today. Here's the pitch. Swing and a high fly ball. Right center field. Castillo's over to make the catch. Arenado's tagging. Here comes the throw to the plate. It's a good one, and out at the plate is Arenado. 2-2 pitch. Fastball swinging a line drive, base hit into center. Here's the pitch. Swinging a line drive, left field, base hit. Here comes the pitch, and a bunt out in front of the plate, a good one, fielded by the catcher, who throws to first for the out. Here's the pitch. Swinging a line drive to center field, racing over to his right is Canary to make the catch to end the ball game.